Right, what's going on guys, it's Dad Makes Dough, back with a new video, and this is going to be all about affiliate marketing and using incentive traffic to drive traffic to CPA leads. If you don't know what that means, watch the video and I'm going to show you exactly how. Essentially, we're going to use an incentive in which we pay someone, say 20p, and they sign up for a lead that's £2. So we make 180 per lead. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, see if we can hit that 3k mark, and yeah, don't forget to smash that like button, it really helps me out. So yeah, let's dive into the computer and I'm going to show you how to make some money. Right guys, so first things first, what you want to do is you want to sign up for MaxBounty. So MaxBounty is an affiliate marketplace and you've got plenty of stuff on here, not just per lead, you've also got sales and stuff like that. I'm going to put all my links in the bottom, in the description, so you can go into there, sign up to MaxBounty. You do need to actually get approved for an account. There's plenty of videos on how you do that. All they're going to do is you're going to sign up and they're going to give you a call just to check that you're a real person, ask you a few questions, and then they'll open you an account. So what you want to do is sign up, and then you want to also go over to a website called Picoworkers. I'll also put this link in the description as well. And what this is, it's a website in which people can get paid to do tasks. So you've got like sign up and you get like 20 cents, sign up you get 20 cents, 30 cents, so on and so forth, right? And you also want a bit.ly account just to shorten your affiliate link. So first things first, what you want to do is go over to MaxBounty, click search, uncheck all these. So what you need is incentive traffic. You want something that's going to allow you to send incentive traffic. Go over to categories and click email submits. That way you're paying much less. On Picoworkers, they've literally just got to put in an email and then you get paid. So let's go down. Let's find one. So there's this one here, for example, Super Mario Run. It's incentive based, countries allowed, United States, one field fixed. So that means it'll pay upon one field of being filled out. That'll be your email address. Users can sign up for this, so on and so forth. Cannot use free in any way. Offer converts on email, submit, and allows traffic from the US. So what you want to do is you want to target traffic from the US on Picoworkers, right? So click build tracking link, and you're going to click incentive, raw link, and this is going to be your link. So you want to copy this link, you want to go over to bit.ly, click create, paste your link in there, and then give it a title. So I could call it Super Mario Run. Right. So now we've got this link. This link is now going to take us to this. Also give you the stats and everything like that. So what you want to do, go over to Picoworkers. You want to put some money in your account. So put like $10 or something like that. Just click deposit funds there, and you'll be able to deposit through PayPal, credit or debit, crypto. So much, or you can even transfer from like earned to spendable. So what you want to do is go to post a job and look back at what the incentive traffic was. So it's United States. So let's have a look. So we want to click US. All the countries you want to exclude, so you don't want any of these. All what you're going to highlight in red, they are not going to be able to click it because it won't convert, right? So we want to go apply, go to next. And then you want to pick a job category. So this is essentially a sign up, email submit. There's plenty of others, like you can get some of these on MaxBounty now where like, if you go into browse, and you can like download things. You can download like games and stuff like that. But anyway, that's beside the point. So you want to click sign up, email submit, or a simple sign up depending. Apply and go to next. So you want to put something in the title that's going to make them click it. So you want to put simple, quick email submit, and then you want to put your steps on there. So firstly, click this link, and then you want to copy your bit.ly link like that. Copy, put that in there. Enter email. And then finally, screenshot when finished. Right? You don't need to add any more steps. That should be more than enough. Any additional notes, So we require one proof just to make sure that we've done it. So that's screenshot. So we want a screenshot of the last page. You can leave all this blank, that doesn't matter. Apply and go to next. So 25 workers needed, it costs you $7. So if we work that out, so that is, it's going to cost us 24 cents. So that's 24 cents, and we times that by 25. So it's going to cost us like $6, right? But on MaxBounty, we're going to get paid. How much are we going to get paid per lead? Was it $1.60? So 160. So times that by 25. So we'll make 40, and then take away 6. So we'll make $34. So if we did this, so that's $34 profit. If we did this times, I don't know, 50. Boom. If we did that 50 times, we make 1,700. You know, it's a case of rinse and repeat in this method. It allows incentive traffic. It's not that we're going against the grain, or it's like we're not supposed to do this, because here it does say points, etc. We are allowed incentive traffic for this, right? So what you want to do is, once this is done, sign up. You can go into your advanced settings, make sure this is always ticked. Verify and rate tasks manually. You don't want the system to automatically verify it, just because if they've not done it correctly, or they've done it from another country or something like that, what's going to happen is you're going to be paying out that 24 cents but not actually getting paid, and it's not worth it. Then you're going to be out of pocket. So then you want to go apply and submit, and then what's going to happen then is your job's going to be reviewed and you'll be notified. So once it's done, so I'm going to cancel that because I don't actually need it. This is one I did before. So yeah, literally, screenshot last page. So simple to do. And then you can see how much traffic is coming through for each and every one. And then all you do, go back over to MaxBounty. So yeah, pretty much that is how you can make money through MaxBounty and through Picoworkers. There's other websites like Picoworkers that you can use, but this is the one that I've been using personally. And you can do it for loads. You can literally go on to browse, search, uncheck them all. And there's other ones you can look at. So as long as you've got incentive traffic, all you want to do is just click about. So let's have a look for downloads. So these are per lead. My PC cleaner, Nielsen computer and mobile panel. So if you look at this, and this is $12, right? By converts on registration and installing app, and you get $12 per lead. So if we go back over to Picoworkers, post a job, USA, untarget those, and then what we want to do is computer programs, download and install. Workers will earn 42 cents, right? So that's 42 cents, however, we get $12 per lead. So calculate that again. So 42 cents times by 25, so it's going to cost us $10.50, and then it's £12 per lead, so that's 300. Take away 10. There we go. Obviously, it's going to take a lot more time for people to actually go and download and install an application. A lot of these people who are on these websites just want a quick and simple, like, boom, sign up for this, done, so on and so forth. They don't want to be sat there for 42p, something that could take, 10 minutes to install. But it's worth a try. I've not actually tried that one, that could be next. So yeah, that's pretty much that. And that's how you can actually go and get this done. So yeah guys, if you are new to the channel, don't forget to leave me a like, smash that subscribe button. Plenty more videos on how you can make money online. This is what I do full time now. I managed to quit my job, everything. So yeah, go check out some of my other videos. If you did like the video, Don't forget to use the links in my description. They are affiliate links, so I will get a small commission at no extra cost to yourself. So yeah guys, comment below if you've tried this, if you're going to try this, and if you need any questions whatsoever, I'll be able to help you out. So yeah guys, don't forget to smash that like button. Thank you guys for watching.